You have to do what it says.
No, you actually have to write join. Subscribing to a channel doesn't do you any good anymore.
What?
No, I'm serious, dude. Like, how many subscriptions do you have that you don't see in your feed because the
No,
algorithm...
I have 8.
What's going on with your finger?
I have 8,000.
Subscribers?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're not really subscribers anymore. That's the problem with the subscription model. You have to ask people to join as members. So you say, join as a member, and you get exclusives. Like right now, I'm uploading advice videos.
Yeah, that's subscribing.
No, it's not
Subscribe.
subscribing. No, it's join.
Subscribe.
Okay, I'm just telling you, I have subscribers, but I'm confident. 99% of my subscribers do not see the videos I upload. They just don't. So, I want people to join as members. No, they don't.
Yeah. Subscribe.
I hesitate to get too close with the camera, but I caught a spider in my 3D printed spider trap that you might remember from a few months ago. It's the first spider of the season. Oh, sorry, you may have seen it. I'm not exactly freaking out, to tell you the truth. Kind of surprised. It worked really well. Yay, 3D printing. Boo, spiders. Happy, angry, disgusted, fear, sad. Oh, this is a ice cream of emotion here. Where do I get these ice creams? Oh, I get it. Kind of stings. The weather outside is frightful, but the climate control inside delightful. Air conditioning is going, and it's hot outside. So that means back to school stuff has hit store shelves. Target sent me a message, not personally, like a notification, where I could get 15% off back to school supplies. And so, of course, I checked to see if there were new Star Wars things. And yes, there were tons of new Star Wars things. So I didn't get them for 15% off. I got them for 20% off because I also happened to receive earlier a 5% off coupon for my next purchase at the store. And so I didn't know what I was going to get. I figured, oh, it's probably going to be a throwaway like toothpaste or something like that. And no, it turns out that I wound up saving it for the right time. So yeah, I am ready to write and not go back to school. Because, you know, I've gone to the school of hard knocks, and now I just need to figure out where I'm going to put this. I'm not really a ring wearer. I don't think I've ever been a ring bearer either. But I am going to be trying this one. It's an electronic ring. Like, it's a gadget that you wear on your finger. It's a smart ring, monitoring your health, and it's relatively unobtrusive. RingCon sent it to me, and I'm going to give it a spin. I feel like this is what everybody should be wearing, whether it be a ring or a watch, something that is capturing all the data that you are generating. What I haven't decided yet is whether or not I'm going to wear this during the day or nighttime, because I have not been wearing my watch at night for probably the last 9 months. I've just been letting it charge. That might change too, because I want to start better tracking my sleep, because it's not, honestly, been that great. So maybe I am not wearing the smart stuff at night because I'm afraid of having my fears validated. Afraid of my fears? I just know that I have not been sleeping well, and in the middle of the night I will often wake up. Some nights are better than others, but either way, I'm wearing tech. Had to come down to the waterfront to cool down. It's nice. It's very nice and breezy. Can you hear that? I don't know if you can hear it. I can definitely hear it if you're not catching the wind. Seattle. We're at the Museum of Illusions in Seattle. It's a brand new museum. Came here with Jedi and a couple of friends. Whoa! Do you see that when you move like back and forth? How is that? Oh, I see. You see? What happened? Where'd the rest of your body go? Why is it on a plate? It's a Jedi kaleidoscope. Jedi kaleidoscope?
It's a daddy kaleidoscope.
A what?
It's a daddy kaleidoscope.
Oh, I guess you're seeing it from my end. Woo! Not a visual effect in post. This is in real time. Well, I'm leaning. But am I straight? Look, hang on. If I hold it straight, I'm leaning. Look at the mirror. Okay. I thought it would be like a mirror maze. Like, amazing. Jedi's taller than me. Yeah, way taller than me. But if we trade places, then I can be taller than Jedi. So let's trade places. See? Look at that. Is it magic? Or an illusion?
Oh my god, look, they have the thing.
The thing. Yeah, I know, they got all the things. Hang on. Yeah, we'll get there. I'm spinning the other things. Come on. Get my money's worth. Okay, now look happy. There you go. Look, it's an illusion. You're not really happy. Kineagram. So you know all about this because you have one of these. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Okay, wait. She wants to see it. There we go.
Look how satisfying that is.
I'll give it to her. Here we go.
Wait, okay, ready?
Ready?
Yep. What? Oh my god, that looks so creepy.
Wow, Jedi, you look so symmetrical.
Symmetrical. Let me see.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Besties forever. These used to be all the rage. I know. Wait, did you see this one? The popcorn? I have toys with this kind of sticker on them. If that's even a sticker, I don't know. What's over here? Nothing. Oh, it's a kid. Man, whatever happened to these things? So cool. Clones. Which one's the real Jedi? Oh, that one? You've heard of the Infinity Cube? This is the Infinity Dodecahedron.
It's a green person.
That's cool. Oh, whoa. Magic box. They're floating. How are they floating? Wait a second. A reverse room? Mirage. Wasn't that the name of a transformer? Mirage! Oh, that's not what you're really seeing. That's what you're seeing.
Optical illusion. There's people in front of us.
Freaking me out. This is everything that's on the walls, but then when the light changes, everything changes. So it's filtering out certain paints depending on
I do not like blue.
what color
Dad, I do not like blue.
is up there. You don't like blue.
No, I don't.
Step in front of the true mirror, see your real non-reversed reflection.
Here.
Huh? Oh, it's not reversed. Oh, dude, this is totally making me dizzy. Oh my god. I'm so dizzy.
Upside down.
Oh my god, I'm so dizzy. I gotta stop. I can't do this. I can't do this. You're playing cards with yourself. So it's like solitaire. Only with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of you. Puppuccinos and red draws. Can you think of a better way to cool down on a hot summer day? It's a wicked squatcha. Therefore, I had to get oat milk ice cream and added some natural chocolate sauce, or at least not as unhealthy chocolate sauce with some natural peanut butter. I'm going to add a couple of marshmallows too. Vegan, of course. Normally, I wouldn't have picked that up at the store, but Jedi's got a friend coming over, so it gave me the excuse. Doesn't take much to twist my arm, because it's a small arm. But please don't twist it. You might break it. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is I now have a Count Dooku bust. I wound up finding a place for Khmer. I think that's how you pronounce his name, the stranger from the Acolyte. Maybe? No, that won't work. I could probably balance it on Darth Vader's head. Or not. This chibi stuffy of Darth Maul, only $2, which was about 70% off. I can't imagine paying more than that for this. I'm going to need to see your license.
Why?
Well, because those are alcohol markers. Yeah? You got to be at least 21 to use them. What are you laughing at? I need to see your license.
I don't have a license.
Well, I guess you don't have any markers then.
Excuse me.
No.
These are my markers.
No, they're not, dude. I can read. It says alcohol markers.
No, they're apple markers.
No, that's not how you spell apple.
Yeah, it is.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it is.
I can unbuckle my safety belts I don't need to wear it when I bite into the $3 Impossible Whopper because it is Whopper Wednesday. The one day, the one moment in this day, if not the week, that I look forward to most. And what does that say about me in my life right now? The most exciting thing is a burger that's on sale. I'd say I need to find more hobbies, but I don't. What the dude? Look at this. It's like someone took a bite out of the burger. You see that? Look. No wonder they have it on sale. The problem with patience is that I can't wait until the lesson is over. I've been patient as I feel I can be, but the universe keeps sending me situations that require patience. Not just understanding, but patience. Waiting. Not just pushing for something, letting the outcome unfold. That's a challenge for me. Being patient. I got another Galaxy box. This is a subscription that I receive, which contains all sorts of awesome exclusive Star Wars goodies inside, including these crew socks, which I'll probably never wear, admittedly, because I have a lot of Star Wars socks that I don't wear. But I've also got pins, not pens, pins, including a Darth Vader pin. That's awesome. What's this? A jacket? Oh, yeah, look at that. It's a jacket button down, or snap down, I should say, with Darth Vader on the back. Nice. When it starts raining again, I'll love wearing that. See, so it's functional but also fun. We've got a Darth Maul Dark Side journal. Can't really see him because his eyes have been blocked out by that, I guess, cardboard label. Oh, I love this. Desiccant. I do wish this was not so negative. Instead of desiccant, why can't it be Desican? We've got, another Darth Vader thing, magnetic desk organizer. That's cool. Ooh, I'll take that one out of the box, put it somewhere. There's the postcard that shows you everything inside, including an art print. It's got Darth Vader inside. I kind of wish it shipped inside another box because it's been dented. I did not notice that the pins glowed in the dark, but they do. One of Jedi's friends invited us to go to the zoo, so that's what we're going to do. What about you? You're coming along.
It was fun.
Did you know that
And then every day they switch, right? So today these two are here.
Looks like you need a tan. Look who's talking.
Way over here. Right in there. You can go inside. Put your steps in. Nice job. One more, you got it, Simon. Good job. He's got to pick this hook up that's on the table next to his feet. Once he's done making sure his feet are still attached. That's right. Go through the big dark scary tunnel. Drop the hook. Again, bring it to me. Bring it to me. My left foot looked a little loose. Bring it to me. Oh, you forgot the hook. Well, he's going to the favorite part of this. Bypassing everything. You ready? Here we go. Woo! And these birds are actually native to the arid region of Bolivia. So a fun fact about these birds is that they can fly 30 miles an hour through a sandstorm, and they do that just for fun. Yeah. Puzzle is using her foot and her beak to pull the cup up, and this behavior is similar to getting a treat at the end of a vine. Hey, where are you going? Hey! Oh my gosh, he's cheating! He's problem solving. I've never seen this before. Wow, okay. She weighs about 3 pounds and has a 4-foot wingspan that she's showing you off right there. Give him a great big wave, Mandubi. Oh, so cute. Jedi, give her a big round of applause. Woohoo! All right, well, I'm going to hand you this English walnut. You can have a few seconds head start to try to break it using both your hands, and then we're going to hand one to Mandubi. Mandubi is just keep going to use her beak. Keep squeezing it. You know what? She already did it. Oh, I see a crack in there. Yeah. Oh my goodness. You know what? Mandubi always wins, but we have got a sticker for you, one for each of you. The laughing kookaburra is the largest of all the kingfisher species, and they are native to Australia. They're very opportunistic, meaning just about anything they can catch, they will likely eat. They are not picky at all. He's going on it today. Simon not win this thing. This one. Oh my God, there you go. It might be a close one today. Oh, that was nearly a tie. There we go.
You're also donating. Can we see Simon? There he is. Oh, he's perfect.
Duck? Duck? What does a monkey say?
No, that's Kiwi.
Okay, blah, blah, blah.
I also, I've never heard you talk.
Hi, Pickles. Is there any way that you can move over and then Chris? So this is real.
Do you want a picture by the dinosaur? No?
They use their lips, kind of.
Isn't that funny?
You like it? You want to do it again? I want to give one to that one over there. I didn't know that alpacas didn't have teeth. No, they do.
I think they do, but they're just really gentle.
I just did that to make you feel better. Oh.
They're so gentle, aren't they?
Oh, you want more?
I think that one's Fraser.
Fraser.
Yeah, crane. Emu.
Sometimes they want some and sometimes they don't. Oh, this one definitely wants some. There's not much left.
You just throw it to them, so you go. Okay, you do that one. Why are their antlers fuzzy?
Yeah, so that is called velvet. And then later on during the year, their antlers will fall off.
There it is. Wow. Dude, that bobcat there, that was in our neighborhood, not the zoo. This ring really is unobtrusive, which is amazing. I love technology that just kind of blends or melts away. You just don't think about it. Something that's pervasive rather than invasive. And it's stylish, too. If you think my hands are stylish, should I possibly be a hand model with dried beans on my palm? Watch this space, because in another few days, I'm getting the new smartwatch from Samsung. I mean, I'm not getting it. I bought it. They don't send me anything. Well, they do send it to me, but I mean, I have to pay for it. So you know that if I talk about it, it's probably worth talking about. Time flies when you're having vlog. And a second cup of coffee. Color me shocked. Not that yet another company is using my data for this, that, and the other thing. No, it's that they're telling me. I didn't have to dig for this disclaimer. It's just right there. Your vehicle transmits data, including geolocation data, to Nissan for various research, product evaluation, internal, and commercial purposes. ... Yeah. Sure. Uh-huh. I believe you. The next model I'm going to be releasing in conjunction with Play Action Toys is this articulated robot figure. Yes, the limbs articulate. And this was originally inspired by an AI-generated piece of art, which was inspired by action figures from the 1980s. Classic 5 POA, 5 points of articulation. So, would you want to print a robot? Or 1,000? The model will soon be available. I wanted to try to figure out how to preserve that Darth Vader Oreo cookie, so I picked up a resin kit and failed to read the directions. So I've got to try to do this again. I hope it works and that I don't injure myself.